Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is super special. We're unboxing the John Mayer Daytona. It's one of my favorite personal watches. Finally got my hands on it and I wanted to share this moment with you guys. What am I wearing today? It is, I think you've seen this watch long enough. I've had it for about 6 months now. Oyster Flex, Rose Gold, Chocolate Daytona. We have a couple other special pieces today. This is the brand new reference Rose Gold Daytona. And currently have a Yachtmaster 40 Rhodium, which needs to find a new house. So if you're interested in this watch, new card 2020, it's absolutely excellent condition. Sat most of its life in a safe. Message me on Instagram for this guy. We need to find this guy a new house. Anyways, today's main reason for this video is the John Mayer Daytona, and I'll unbox it in a second. Before we jump into that, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram right here. That's where I'm most active, posting on there almost every single day. And then every once in a while I'll post a YouTube video. But with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into unboxing the John Mayer Daytona. All right, so we're gonna throw the gloves on because these gold watches are just a absolute fingerprint magnet, but take a look at this watch. This has got to be one of the best looking pieces I've ever seen by far. Look at how much that dial changes in the light. And the yellow, gold, and green just work so well together. And like I said, this watch is just a fingerprint magnet, so I'm wearing these gloves today. Let's pop this off. Weight-wise, it feels perfect compared to having something like an Oyster Flex on, where you have a gold case and a cold clasp. This solid gold with the links, it adds a little bit of weight, but it's not something that's like super unbearable like a platinum day date. The platinum day dates are just super heavy, and I think over a long-term wear they can get a little tiring. But these John Mayer Daytonas, or just gold Daytonas in general, because of the slim profile, it wears so well. It's a comfortable piece, and it's just this piece specifically is just insane. Let's throw this on the wrist and let me show you guys what this looks like. And it sits so low, slim watch, as every Daytona does. That's why we love them. But again, just the weight of this thing, you feel it, but it's not tiring, you know? Like, you could wear this over a long period of time and it'd still be okay. And I'm sorry if you hear my puppy in the background. She loves to talk while I'm filming videos. So, but this is the John Mayer on the wrist. I just want to make this quick video showcasing this watch, and that way you get to see a little bit about what it looks like on the wrist. Thank you guys so much for joining me today in unboxing this awesome watch. I mean, it is seriously stunning in person. I didn't think I'd like it as much until I actually got it. I was a little worried about the yellow gold, and I just feel like it's super loud. And it is a very loud watch, but when that light hits that green dial just right, it really just pops. It's a truly special piece. But I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and of course, follow me on Instagram. That is the most important place for you guys to get updates from me. I'm super active there. Message me there. Buy, sell, consign, whatever it is that you want to do. Contact me on Instagram. As always, thank you guys so much, and see you guys in the next video.